What's going on? This is Coach Kev. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. On this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can make some money from home while fixing your credit at the same time. And don't worry, you don't need experience. You don't need to learn how to sell. You just need to be willing, hungry, and coachable. The name of the company is Freedom Path. And I promise you, if you take a look, you'll get a chance to see how your whole life can be changed. I am Coach Kev. I'm a vice president with this company down in South Florida. I'm a family man, happily married, father of two, and I love my career. Now, I remember the first time I got started with this company, I was already helping clients improve their personal credit, and I needed a way to help them even more because they reached out to me for business credit. Some reached out to me for funding. Some reached out to me to join my team, but they were in another state, and I didn't know how to help them. And that's when I partnered up with Freedom Path. I have many, many years of experience helping multiple people become six-figure earners and helping them become homeowners, getting a car, just having all around a better financial picture. So I have everything that it takes to help you as well. And I live by the words of documented billionaire Mr. Warren Buffett. He said, if you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until you die. I hope you caught that. All right. Stay to the end. I got a bonus for you, and I want you to get it. So let's look at this. The three barriers of financial freedom is credit, cash flow, financial literacy. Most people were never taught about credit in school or at home, and this is a vital challenge all over America. Time magazine reported that bad credit can cost you over 200,000 in mortgage, auto, credit card interest over your lifetime. Not having a lot of cash flow. I remember the first time I realized that I was broke. There was an emergency. I needed money to get more food because I used the money for a bill, and I didn't know where I was getting it from. And I thought to myself, I need to have more money so if anything happens, I can go on my savings account or be able to help family members without feeling like I need to do a payday loan. And then the last thing is lack of financial literacy. Back in 2022, Americans lost a total of 436 billion because of lack of financial literacy. I don't know if that's you, but I'm telling you right now, you got to change. And my mentor told me a long time ago, if you want things to change, you have to change. Now, you not only get a chance to generate some extra income on a weekly basis and create passive income, but you also can fix your own credit. Now, I'm not about to give you some type of long ebook or some other type of training. It's all AI built in, and it's tools that'll help you improve your personal credit, and you'll be able to send out your dispute letters literally with a few clicks of a button. It's a comprehensive program called Freedom Wealth. It has a score path, a wealth path, life path, and biz path. I'll touch on those a little bit. I just don't want to make this video too long. Now let's talk about the score path. This is the main component to improving your personal credit. It has a DIY component, and it allows you to basically the AI scans your entire credit report, your Equifax, your TransUnion, and your Experian, and it'll allow you to draft up dispute letters and dispute these letters and send them directly to the credit bureaus. I'm telling you, so many people pay thousands of dollars for credit repair, and they don't need to do that. So you get that along with these other services, and you're probably monitoring your credit off Credit Karma. I'm telling you right now, you need a better service. This program encompasses all of this, the score path. The wealth path includes a will and a trust. I don't know if you knew this, but Aretha Franklin, Prince, there's a rapper named DMX, and countless others passed away with no will. Think about that. This program allows you to have that will and trust, or take advantage of it, have access to it. And also the life path. If you know summertime is always rolling around and you want to travel, you want to have some staycations or some vacations. Imagine if you had a way to save a couple of dollars to our life path. And if you're listening to this and you're an entrepreneur, and you always wanted to know how you could formulate your business, create an LLC, or you want to start your own nonprofit, you want to learn about business credit or how to get funding for your startup, you can also learn a lot of that in the Biz Path. Now, to take advantage of just this program by itself, it's not $1,500, it's just $189 down, $99 a month, no contract. You can get rid of it as soon as your score go up. Now, for those of you who want to offer this program or become a broker and refer this program and generate revenue, I'm going to show you how you can do that. You'll be able to join my team. And remember, it's going to take work for you to make income. If you don't do anything, you won't make any income. I need you to think about this. As you learn, you earn. Just like every job you've ever worked at, you didn't know what to do. Someone taught you. I'll hold your hand like a newborn baby. The industry I want you to start a career in, and you can do this part-time, is called the FinTech industry. The global FinTech market is projected to grow 700 billion by 2030. You probably don't know this, but in the 1980s, ATMs and credit card processing started. You probably wasn't even born in the 1980s, right? And remember this about FinTech. You don't have to invent it. You just need to be a part of it. And believe it or not, you're already a part of it. Do you know these companies? What about Cash App? Have you ever heard of Chime? Have you ever checked your credit on Credit Karma? Have you ever seen a commercial from Rocket Mortgage? These are FinTech companies. I'm telling you, they're generating billions and it will be trillions over time. You can generate this type of revenue. Well, not billions yet, but you can generate revenue and be a part of generating billions if you just join our organization. Now, we're disrupting the financial services industry, the traditional way people connect someone else to a service is over. You don't need to have TV or internet advertising. It's all word of mouth. Think about how many people you've already referred services to or mentioned certain things to. Now, right? I'm sure you referred a restaurant, you referred a barber, you referred a hairdresser or a nail tech to somebody, and even a church, and they went. You didn't get paid. Not saying you did it for that, but just imagine that's literally our business. We refer services. We're brokers, right? And you've brokered a lot of deals. You've just never gotten paid for it. And again, you don't need any sales experience. You just need to be willing, hungry, and coachable. Now, the other thing I love about this company is that they offer so many additional services and more are coming, right? You can say to yourself, you know what, Coach Kev, that credit program you talked about, the Freedom Wealth, I think I can refer that to people and the company does all the work and I can get paid by refer them. You can do that. What about helping businesses get funding through bulk funding? What about helping individuals establish business credit? What about life insurance? It's so much. Now, do I refer all of these services to everybody? No, I personally don't. But I'll give them anything that they need. My top two that I love to talk about is the Freedom Wealth. You heard about that right now, and the Bolt funding. I'm telling you, this can be a game changer for you. Now, every service has a point value. You do generate revenue by brokering the deal or connecting that customer to the company. But I'm just going to talk about a few different ways we get paid because there's so many different ways your head will explode. I want you to become an independent broker. Join our team. All of the training will be included. You get your own website, right? And that'll be live today. If you do decide to work on your credit, you can send your dispute letters out with a few clicks of a button. And don't worry, I'll help you. I'm going to show you my phone number at the end so you can always text me or give me a call and I'll hold your hand, like I said, like a newborn baby. Now, it's 5+ ways that we get paid. I'm only going to show you 2 for the sake of time. I'll kind of do a one-on-one money game plan with you, and I'll go over the remaining ways we get paid. So the customer activation bonus and the affinity bonus that can create massive passive income where you can get paid forever. Now, this is the first way I want to share with you. It's called customer activation bonus. You saw in one of those slides, I showed you that each individual service has a point value. But let's say you just wanted to understand the points. Okay. If you wanted to say to me, hey, Coach Kev, I want to make $500 a week, then I would tell you, let's help you accumulate 10 points a week. Now, you will generate an additional amount of money because you'll get paid when they enroll on the services. This is just a point bonus. There are people in this company generating thousands of dollars on a weekly basis, and you can do the same. Payday is Friday, and I'm telling you, you can add this to what you're already doing, no matter your background. And then here's a second way I want you to learn we get paid. It's called the Infinity Growth Bonus. This bonus can pay your mortgage, it can pay your rent, it can pay your car note. What about the kids' daycare? You can create passive income, and it can change the trajectory of your life. I'm telling you, I'll never forget the first time I unlocked the $8,000 bonus. Just think about that. That's 6 figures passive income. Where could you do that? And I know you're saying to yourself, well, Coach Kev, I just want to get up to the $1,000. Well, think about that. Between you and your team, if you decide to build a team. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to build a team if you don't want to. You can literally accumulate these points. It doesn't matter how long it takes you. But of course, you'll get there faster with the team. Imagine you accumulating 50 points. You accumulate 50 points. You bring somebody in named Tom. You bring somebody in named Jerry. All three of you accumulate 50 points combined. That's 150 points. You would unlock the $1,000. And don't worry, Tom and Jerry can bring people on as well, so they can unlock the $1,000 every 30 days. This can change your life. Imagine that. What would you do with that kind of money? Whew, whew. I'm telling you, it can change everything for you. To get started, it's just $129. Now, this is just if you don't need to work on your personal credit. You just want to make some money from home, and you can start literally right now. Okay. Now, if you need help with your personal credit and you want to make some money, it's $289, $99 a month. And I'm still telling you, you can get started right now. I'm grateful you took the time to get to the back of this webinar. Now, well, it's technically a video, but I'm grateful you got a chance to get to the back of this. Go ahead and text F the $ B to 786-788-3815. I am Coach Kev. I'm happy I get a chance to work with you. You can also go to workwithcoachkev.com and remember our very famous documented billionaire, what he said, if you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until you die. This is Coach Kev. Get enrolled. I'll see you on the other side.